There are moments when cities are built to grow, and moments when cities are built to care. In a world where health has become a global priority, a new vision is emerging, one that brings science, medicine, and human well-being into perfect balance. In Abuja, at the heart of Nigeria, WAGAS Smart Industrial City is redefining what a healthcare-driven city can be. Not faster, not louder, but smarter, more resilient, more human. WAGAS Smart Industrial City Abuja is designed as a fully integrated ecosystem dedicated to healthcare and biotechnologies. Here, hospitals, specialized clinics, research laboratories, pharmaceutical and biotech manufacturing facilities, diagnostic centers, and medical training institutes coexist within a single, secure, and connected urban environment. This proximity transforms the way healthcare systems operate. Innovation accelerates. Research aligns with real clinical needs. Production meets international standards. From advanced diagnostics to life-saving treatments, from medical devices to biopharmaceuticals, the city supports the full healthcare value chain, strengthening national health sovereignty and positioning Nigeria as a regional leader in life sciences. This is not fragmentation. This is continuity. Designed for impact. More resilient. More human. Behind every medical breakthrough, every research discovery, every patient journey, there are people. And those people deserve spaces that restore, protect, and inspire. Within WAGA's Smart Industrial City Abuja, residential architecture reflects the same values as healthcare itself: light, clarity, balance, and care. Villas and apartments open into generous, double-height living spaces filled with natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows connect interiors to landscaped surroundings, creating a sense of calm and openness. Materials are chosen with intention: natural stone, warm wood, soft textures, offering comfort without excess. Living areas flow effortlessly, supporting family life, quiet reflection, and meaningful connection. Bedrooms become private retreats, spaces where the mind can rest and the body can recover. This is living designed for those who carry responsibility. Homes that give back. In a city dedicated to healthcare and biotechnologies, reliability is essential. WAGA's Smart Industrial City Abuja is built on resilient infrastructure, stable energy systems with secure backup, controlled water and sanitation networks, advanced waste management, and high-speed digital connectivity. Smart city platforms quietly monitor energy, security, mobility, and maintenance in real time, ensuring continuity for medical operations and peace of mind for residents. Every system is designed to work seamlessly, so that professionals can focus on what truly matters: care, research, and innovation. Here, infrastructure is not visible. It is dependable. Healthcare and biotechnologies are not short-term trends. They are the foundations of the future. For residents, WAGA's Smart Industrial City Abuja offers a rare balance: proximity to work, quality of life, security, and community. For investors, it represents long-term value anchored in one of the world's most resilient sectors, supported by institutional demand, skilled talent, and a clear development vision. But beyond economics, this city carries a deeper purpose. It is a place where science serves humanity, where architecture supports healing, where innovation respects human rhythm. WAGA's Smart Industrial City Abuja is more than a destination. It is a commitment to health, to progress, and to the people who dedicate their lives to improving others. WAGA's Smart Industrial City Abuja, where healthcare lives, where innovation serves humanity, where the future belongs.